Hey, beautiful Leo, let's see what's coming up your way. This is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is for the month of August, your monthly tarot reading. Let's see what's coming up your way. This is general reading, so this may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates and also please check your rising, Venus, and Moon sign. The core energy that you got here is the Six of Wands, celebration, success, people applauding you, praising you, gates finally opening for you, and crossed by Knight of Swords. An ex might be returning, something rushed, something from the past is resurfacing back because you have a massive amount of success. In your conscience goal is the Tower. Scorpio might be influencing your life, something sudden, chaotic. The grounding energy here for you is the Wheel of Fortune. Something divinely orchestrated in the past. There was Ace of Swords, laser light focus. You were really 110% into something. In the upcoming days, you got Two of Swords. You need to make some kind of decision. In the you position, you have Nine of Swords in the area of your closest relationship, Five of Pentacles. You might feel a bit alienated or left alone by your closest relationship. And the hopes and fears, you got Seven of Wands. You are standing your ground unapologetically. And the outcome for you is Eight of Pentacles. As you stand your ground, you are working on your finances, on your academics, on your career, onto something that brings you money, that brings you fame. At the bottom of the deck, you got Ten of Wands. Your burden is heavy. You have so many responsibilities to carry on at this time, and you could be actually bearing weight for other people. But rest assured, this cycle is about to be completed. Your weight is about to be lifted, and good things are coming up your way. So, in the current energy, you are entering the month with success, with the loud triumph, a kind of victory that is happening for you. As you enter the month, people had an eye on you. You were basking in confidence. You were basking, like strutting along with a sense of pride. This is the energy that I am getting here. And as there are people who are appreciating you, celebrating you, there is also a kind of jealousy and envy around you. So protect yourself. Crossed by this is the Knight of Swords. This is the energy that helps you or hurts you. Someone is going to come in and try to blow things out of proportion. At this time, you need to remain focused. At this time, you need to communicate clearly because Ace of Swords is also here. You do not need to get triggered by whatsoever this person has to say, because if you get triggered, things are going to go down the drain. In the past, you got Ace of Swords. This is again victory, success. You have victory and success here with the Six of Wands. Ace of Swords is laser light focus, concentration. This is as if you were focused onto something and you really knew that in order for me to get something, I'll have to let a smaller thing be sacrificed or let it go. And you did that. And your conscience goal is the Tower. The Tower is all about sudden revelations. A secret might be coming out. Something chaotic, something that brings up a kind of upheaval, but this is good. Why? Because this Tower moment brings you closer to the reality, lets you see how things really are. So, and I also feel that this Tower moment is not only going to impact you, but also people around you. And I feel as if like you were not ready for this Tower to happen, for this collapse to happen. And now, as it has happened, you will get some time to recover from this. But as you recover, you'll be able to rebuild on stronger foundations. With that, you got the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is in the hidden area, the foundation. Divine orchestration is at play. Some fated events are going to happen for you. And also, Leo, as you are one of the fixed sign, you are sitting here. You are in position of power and strength. Do not try to control anything. Let the moments unfold the way they are happening. And I feel a positive shift is coming towards you, a kind of shift that you might not be able to see right now. And because you are unable to see this shift, you are here perplexed. You are sitting on the fence. You are not making a decision. You are giving me this sense of loneliness here with the Five of Pentacles, this sense of needing to defend what's yours all on your own. But rest assured, divine orchestration is here at play and things are going to move in your favor. With the Two of Swords, this is again having to do something with making a decision. You are closed off at this time. As you achieve some kind of success, you might be feeling as if I do not open my heart, it won't get hurt, or the jealousy, the envy, the leg pulling of other people won't impact me. That's not the case. You need to open up to this situation. You need to put these swords down, take your blindfold off, respond to your intuitional nudges, because they have messages for you. You cannot spend a whole life sitting in your own den just because if you open up, word would hurt you. You need to come up with another plan. In the U position, you have got Nine of Swords. Although success is there, although support from the universe is at your side, still you are anxious about something. Something is bothering you for such a long time, but you are not making a change. With this card, you have the choice. Do you want to be a victim or a survivor? If you want to be a survivor, you need to make some change. You need to get out of your comfort zone and face your fears, face your demons, because on the other side of this whole picture is the freedom, the independence, the success, where you won't be needing to shrink yourself in order to protect yourself. In the area of your closest relationship, you got Five of Pentacles. Could indicate a kind of financial pinch, but I don't think this financial pinch is going to impact you, because you are consistently working on your finances and your finances are paying off. This Five of Pentacles is like you waiting for the blessings to come in. Blessings are around you, but you just cannot see them yet. Universe always has a right time for you to see the things. So just have the faith, trust the process. In the hopes and fears, you have Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands, or you are defending something that you believe is rightfully yours. You are defending that, and you are setting your boundaries. If your boundaries were all over the place in the past, now is the time to set clear boundaries, Leo. And in the upcoming days, you got the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is concentrated work, dedication, the kind of laser light focus that showed up for you in the past, and that brought you this success. You need to remain concentrated, focused at this time as well. I also feel as you focus on your finances, it could be finances, it could be any hobby, something that has the capacity to take up all of your attention. As you are focused on that thing, you are kind of distracting yourself from something. So that's good, because the ultimate result for this is good. Let's see what do we get with the Eight of Pentacles. By the way, if the reading resonated, please do subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment. Your feedback really helps me keep going. And now let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles and Leo. Didn't I say that you were distracting yourself from something? You are distracting yourself from heartache, from betrayal, from deep-seated pain, even from trauma, unhealed wounds. But why are you not healing? Because these swords are still in your heart. You need to pull these swords out of your heart and then tend to your heart, heal your heart, and then move forward. This phase is temporary, and I feel as if whatever this betrayal was, this betrayal is making you call attention to your weaknesses here with the Five of Pentacles. Do not do that. Now is the time for healing yourself and coming out of that trauma, because healing is direly needed here. And see, when you heal yourself, you are getting everything that you have ever wished or dreamt for. Ten of Pentacles is not only financial windfall, this is something that indicates building and leaving the legacy together. Happy home, happy family, when blessings are coming towards you, when you have hobbies, you can see having these pets at your home as well. So heal yourself. That's the big message for you, Leo, for the month of August. I hope it helped, and I'll see you next time.